Doctor. The title of our paper is The Impact of the Development Level of Digital Economy in Countries Along the Belt and Road in China's Foreign Direct Investment. Our team has Huang Ranting, Cao Xin, Luyao, Cao Yuxue, Yuan Yongkun. Then we will report from the following 5 parts to carry out. The paper selected topic background as follows. As shown in the figure, can be found from the area initiative put out in 2013. China's neighborhood all the way along the country, direct traffic total investment has a tendency to rise year by year. Based on such a background, I have some related literature review in recent years has made the summary. First is relevant studies on China's foreign direct investment mainly show that China's foreign direct investment is influenced by many aspects of host countries. The second is relevant researches on digital economy mainly review the concept of digital economy and its communication impact. The third is the study on the relationship between digital economy and foreign direct investment believes that digital economy has increasingly important impact on the international investment activities of transnational corporations. In conclusion, about whether digital level of economy development impacts on a country's foreign direct investment related research literature also is very limited. So it's necessary to study this aspect. Next, welcome Cao Xin.
Research ideas and methods. Research idea. Forward. Literature review. Mechanism of action. Data sources and variable measurement. Empirical study on the impact of digital economy development level on China's foreign direct investment. Conclusion and suggestion. Next. Analysis of action mechanism is divided into analysis of action mechanism and minimization of operating costs. Analysis of action mechanism is divided. The foreign direct investment model is shifting to the vertical type, and the importance of non-equity investment is becoming increasingly. Minimization of operating costs is divided into reduce enterprise operating costs and reduce the negative impact of the outsiders' disadvantage. Welcome our next students.
Good evening, Doctor. My part is data source and variable measurement. Okay, next. The data collection. The data source is based on panel data from 24 countries along the Belt and Road in the past 10 years. core expenditure variable digital. The relevant index of digital economic infrastructure are selected as important index to measure the development level of digital economy. Explained variable. The flow of China's foreign direct investment to country I in period T can be obtained from the statistic bulletin of China foreign direct investment in the past years. Control variables. The size of the host country's economy, the economic efficiency of the host country, geographical distance, weather of country and host country are adjacent, the abundance of natural resources in the host country, openness to the tree. Okay, next. Data collection. The digital economic infrastructure of the Belt and Road countries is measured by the following index. The core indicators, indictor interpretations, and data source. This is our data sources. Okay, next. Our core explanatory variable is the digitals, and the explanatory variable is in the interpreted variables, and the control variable is the in GDP, GDPCA, index counting, field, and internet users. Okay, next. Okay, I pass to my partner Yuxue.
Okay, I'm going to talk about the model citing and empirical analysis. And so in this picture, firstly, I want to use the model construction of the, this is called the basic model. And it's showed in this picture. And the digital represents the indicators representing the level of infrastructure construction in the digital economy. And next, then we are going to talk about the model construction. This paper selects a panel topic for regression analysis to address the restricted dependent variable. And because some of the variables do not vary with the time dimension, the random effects model RE is used in order to avoid serious multicollinearity problems. Next. And according to the standard practice of gravity model, the following control variables are added. And the descriptive statistical results are as follows. And this is the table. This is the table. And next. And this is the correlation test. Next. This is about the multicollinearity test. Because the correlation coefficient between some variables in the correlation test exceeds 0.5, the VF test continues to be used to determine the multicollinearity. And the result of the collinearity test shows that since the VF of each variable is less than 10, it can be considered that there is no serious collinearity. Next. Here is the regression analysis. And next. So from the last picture, we can conclude that these digital infrastructure-related indicators have a significant positive impact on China's OFDI at different confidence levels. Next. So we can have the opinion that the effect of control variable on explained variable, the host country's market economy scale can promote China's direct investment in it, and the linear distance between China and the host country will have a negative impact on China's OFDI, and both are significant at the level of 1. And the natural resource abundance has a negative impact on China's OFDI. And for the per capita GDP of the host country, whether the host country is adjacent to China and the openness of the host country, although the coefficient is positive, it's not significant in the results of this regression analysis. And here goes to the next person.
Okay, let me talk about the final research summary of the full next. After a series of analyses, we can draw some conclusions. The development level of the host country's digital economy is represented by the relevant indicators of the digital economy infrastructure has a significant role in promoting China's direct investment in the country. In addition, our suggestions based on research are: number one, China can seize the opportunity that the host country hopes to vigorously develop the digital economy and conduct more policy exchanges with the host government so that China's OFDI can obtain a more secure, convenient, and transparent investment environment. Number two, China should strive to improve its competitive advantage in the digital economy. Number three, countries along the Belt and Road should strengthen the construction of digital economy infrastructure. Okay, that's all. This is the whole content of our group's economic project. Thank you for listening. Okay.
OK，
我感觉时间可能会超很多诶。
会吗？